Many people think that an America First isolationist policy is what would be in the best interest of the United States. At first glance, it might seem like focusing only on ourselves would save money and keep us safe. But the truth is, the reason we economically support so many places around the world is because it's like an insurance policy for us. We pay less this way than if we were to get involved in a war. Here's how it works. Let's first look at trade. When countries trade and depend on each other economically, they're less likely to go to war. Think of it like this. If you and your neighbor are constantly helping each other out and sharing things, you're less likely to start a fight with each other. The same goes for countries. The U.S. trades with so many nations that it creates a web of connections that make war a lot less likely. Economic involvement also gives the U.S. a way to solve problems without using force. For example, if a country is doing something the U.S. doesn't like, we can use trade deals, sanctions, or aid to influence them instead of sending soldiers. This is much cheaper and safer than going to war. Speaking of, the U.S. works with other countries through organizations like NATO and the United Nations. These partnerships help keep peace because countries agree to protect each other and solve problems together. Economic ties make these alliances stronger. For example, after World War II, the U.S. gave billions of dollars to help rebuild Europe through the Marshall Plan. This not only helped those countries recover, but also made them strong allies of the U.S., preventing future conflicts. By staying involved globally, the U.S. helps prevent any one country from becoming too powerful and threatening peace. This keeps the world stable and protects us from being dragged into wars. Staying economically connected to the world is like an insurance policy. It keeps trade flowing, build relationships that make war less likely, and gives the U.S. tools to solve problems without fighting. In the long run, it's cheaper and safer than isolating ourselves. It's like being a good neighbor. Everyone benefits when we work together.